it comes to taking care of the beauty that you show. Primeside, your trusted cosmetic partner.
In today's video, we'll be learning on how to dissolve glutathione powder for cosmetic formulation. Glutathione is a white crystalline powder that is used in skincare for its antioxidant and skin lightening effect. Although it is water soluble, but most formulators, when they dissolve glutathione powder, it ends up becoming cloudy, which may not be really ideal for some formulators, especially those who wants to use this powder for products like toners and serums. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely dissolve your glutathione powder so that it becomes crystal clear and you could use in any kind of formulation that you want to. First, I will have my glutathione powder, and next I will weigh out my water in my beaker. I'll be using 5 grams of glutathione against 50 grams of water, which makes it 10% of my glutathione powder. Originally, glutathione can be used from 0.5% to 2%, and some formulators may use it up to 5%. But I'm going to be using 10% here as a trial, just to show you that you can completely dissolve your glutathione in your water. The first you need to do is to place your beaker in a double boiler or heating mantle. I use the heating mantle first, but I'm taking it to a double boiler so that we all can relate. And then I'm going to heat it up to around 70 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius. Once the temperature is around 75 degrees Celsius, just regulate the temperature so that it doesn't become too high. And the next thing you'll be doing is to add your glutathione in bits, and while doing so, you'll be stirring it. Ensure not to add all the powders at once into the water, because you will find it very difficult to dissolve even though it is still in a hot phase. So we keep doing this until the powder is completely dissolved. It's going to let out some kind of awful smell, but that's the nature of glutathione. So if you wish to use it that way, you could use it, or if you want to add an extra ingredient to help deodorize it, then you could do so. Glutathione is mostly used in variety of skincare products, including face creams, face moisturizers, toners, serums, and so on and so forth. Its pH ranges from 3.5 to 6.5, and it will do well just at 5.5. Originally, glutathione is an antioxidant, but the side effects can actually whiten the skin. So most formulators uses glutathione simply because of its side effect that promises to help lighten the skin, and so far so good, glutathione has been doing that same work. If you're looking for where to source high-grade glutathione powder for your cosmetic formulation, here at Primeside, we supply quality raw cosmetic material, ensuring that quality is paramount. That being said, if you're still doubting your formulation skills, then you could hop onto our academy, where we have different courses that you will never ever regret having. Or maybe you could grab some of our teaching self-explanatory e-books that can help you through your formulation journey. I'll leave all the links in the description box. Now, this is after we've fully dissolved the 5 grams of glutathione in the 50 ml of water. As you can see, it is completely clear. You can allow this to cool and then place your cooled and phased ingredient into it. And glutathione would also work very well with other brightening ingredients, including vitamin C, alpha-butene, tranexamic acid, niacinamide, and the likes. Now see it at 40 degrees Celsius, and it's still very stable, very okay, no crystallization and no cloudiness. So this is how you can dissolve your glutathione powder for your cosmetic formulation. Let us know which ingredient you want us to treat next, and please do not forget to shop with us. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you next time.